What's up guys, and I just got my hands on the third Galaxy Note 10 model. Yes, this is the Note 10 Lite that we talked about so much in the leaks and rumors. It is finally here, and it's time we take a deep look at this phone. Now before I begin, I want to give a huge shout out to Wondershare's PDF Element. PDF Element 7 is an all-in-one smart PDF editor which offers the easiest way to create, edit, and sign PDF documents on both Windows and Mac. It's packing tons of features, and the best part that I like about it is that it's very simple to use. I personally deal with PDF files all the time, and having the extra customization tools is pretty great. One of my favorite features with the PDF Element is that it allows me to add sticky notes when I'm reading a book. It also let me change the background of PDF, which is pretty cool. On top of that, it allows you to convert your PDF file into various formats such as Word or Excel. It's definitely the best Acrobat alternative out there. So check out PDF Element 7. If you use my special link, which is in the description, you will get 70% off. Okay, so it's been years since Samsung has launched a cheaper Galaxy Note version. The last time we have seen that happen is back when Samsung introduced the Note 3 Neo. Fast forward to now, it definitely makes sense for this type of phone to exist because Samsung flagship phones are getting really expensive, and quite frankly, not a lot of people can afford these phones at that high price. So Samsung has to introduce something cheaper and affordable, and that's why they introduced the Note 10 Lite. It may be cheaper, but in a way it's actually better than any Galaxy Note phone ever made. I mean, if we talk about the battery size, it's got 4500 mAh, which is even bigger than what we get on the biggest Galaxy Note 10 Plus model, and it's the only modern Galaxy Note model that has the headphone jack. It's got a flat screen display, which some people prefer, and also comes with a square camera design, which is in line with Samsung's upcoming flagship phones. But with that being said, it is a light phone, and that means that it's not going to be as good as those higher end models. So design wise, it's rocking glass-tick back, which is not truly a glass back. Obviously Samsung did it to cut down the cost. There is no Bixby key. You only get the power and the volume rocker on the right hand side, which is fine. I would have preferred the buttons on different side, but because they killed the Bixby key, I'm letting this one slide. There's a punch hole towards the middle, and overall a fairly bezel-less design. Honestly, I like what Samsung is doing here. It doesn't have the shiny sides of the higher Note 10 models, but it is rocking that headphone jack, which, like I said, a lot of people will love. There's the Type-C port for charging, speaker grill, and then you also get the S Pen, which is one of the main reasons why a lot of people would go with this phone. You're getting the modern S Pen functionality at a cheap price. The S Pen is Bluetooth powered, so you're getting all the features of the Galaxy Note 9. It's only missing the gestures of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus S Pen, but apart from that, it is definitely the same S Pen performance that you would get on the flagship Note 10 models. Because it's the Lite model, Samsung is not using its dynamic OLED panel. Instead, it's having a 1080p OLED panel. It's still a pretty sharp 1080p display. Very bright outdoors. I have seen no issue at all, and obviously it's going to help a lot with battery as well, since it's not such a high quality panel. Viewing angles are pretty good. Watching videos is a good experience. As always, Samsung delivers when it comes to the display, even with its cheaper phones. It's rocking an optical fingerprint scanner instead of the 3D one which you see on the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, so it's not going to be as fast, and it's also not going to work through water or dust if it's on your display. So another light decision that Samsung made with this phone is that they actually went with Exynos 9810 of the Galaxy Note 9. That is a 1.5-year-old chipset that first came out with Galaxy S9. I mean, it gets the job done, but honestly, Samsung should have gone with the Snapdragon 855 like they did with the S10 Lite. It doesn't really make any sense for them to go with the last gen chipset. With that being said, the performance on this phone feels really good. I've not seen any lag whatsoever. If you guys want to see a speed test, be sure to comment down below. It's got 6GB of RAM, and if you want to go higher, you can have up to 8GB of RAM variant. It's rocking Android 10 based One UI 2.0 out of the box. I've done a full video on all the features. It's pretty much packing everything that you will find on the flagship phones. Now, when we talk about the cameras, there are triple cameras on the back, 12 megapixel trio. There's a main 12 megapixel f1.7 sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and also a 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens. As far as the images are concerned, it is using the Samsung's traditional software algorithm. It really does bring those highlights from the pictures. Overall images are sharp and nice with good detail. You can record 4K videos and at the same time switch to ultra wide angle lens, which is pretty good. It does have the new optical image stabilization, which really helps the smooth video performance. Now, it also allows you to record 4K videos from the front camera, which is pretty good. It's got the night mode, it's got the pro mode, everything that you would find on a Samsung camera app, it is there. You can do a portrait mode from both main lens and telephoto lens. You do get a versatile option there for your portrait shots. Now, the best thing that I like about the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is that it's having a 4500 mAh cell, which is the biggest Samsung has ever used on a Note model. This thing can easily last up to 2 days without any problem. The first impression wise, the Note 10 Lite is a great phone. Anyone who's looking for a flagship S Pen experience at a cheaper price, this is the one to go with. The initial pricing for the Note 10 Lite is $500. It's not going to come to United States, but it is coming to India and probably UK and other markets pretty soon. You can actually find the same hardware on the Galaxy Note 9 for about $100 cheaper, so that's the option as well. The Note 9 just got its final Android 10 update. Afterwards, it's not going to receive any more big software updates, so if you go with the Note 10 Lite, at least you get 2 years of software support. Of course, there's ultra wide angle lens that you will miss out on. While it does have a 1080p display, it does have a newer design look compared to the Note 9, which feels a bit outdated in my opinion. But yeah, Note 10 Lite, it's a bit confusing, but if you are in it for the Note at cheap price, this is the one to go for. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will be doing a video on the S10 Lite pretty soon. And yeah, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.